Hi friends, good morning. Myself Mr. V.R. Sanap, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department of Wagh Polytechnic Nashik. Friends, today we are going to discuss about copper alloys. Especially we will discuss about the copper tin alloys, that is the bronze. So it is an alloy of copper and elements other than nickel and zinc. The alloys of copper and tin are usually termed as bronze. The useful range of composition is 0.75% to 0.95% copper and 5 to 25% tin. The various properties of bronze are: it possesses superior mechanical properties and corrosion resistance than brass. It is comparatively hard and it resists surface wear. It can be shaped or rolled into rods, sheets, and wire. It is costlier than brasses and anti-friction properties. Then there are some applications of bronze. It is used for casting, then used for making coins and medals, also used for making spring, taps and marine pumps, then used for heavy duty electrical switches and cams, used for making bush, quarter pins and clutch disc. Also it is used in the manufacturing of corrosion resistant mine cable, wall parts and ship sheathing. Then there are various types of bronzes. The first one is the phosphor bronze. So this phosphor bronze contains 87 to 90% copper and 9 to 10% tin and 0.1 to 3% phosphorus. So there are some properties of phosphor bronze. It has a high strength and toughness. It has high resistance to corrosion. It is not susceptible to season cracking. It has good load bearing capacity. This alloy possesses good wearing quality and high elasticity. Then there are some applications of phosphor bronze. It is used for all bearing applications, used for making pump parts, springs, diaphragms, gear clutch, disc and bellows. It is also used for making bush, quarter pins and marine pins. It is widely used in foundry. It is used for making a propeller blades. Then second type of bronze, that is silicon bronze. The alloy of copper and Si is termed as a silicon bronze and it contains 90 to 97% copper and 1 to 10% silicon and up to 1% manganese with small amount of tin and zinc. There are some properties of silicon bronze. It possesses high strength and toughness as that of mild steel. It has good corrosion resistance as that of copper. It can be rolled, forged and stamped. Casting can be done with this alloy. Thermal and electrical conductivity of this alloy is about 10% of that of pure copper. Then there are some applications of silicon bronze. It is used for making storage vessel for chemicals and gases. It is used for marine construction. It is also used in making bearings and jeeps. Used for making roll mill sleepers. It is also used for making boiler parts, marine hardware and die cast parts. Then third type of a bronze, that is aluminum bronze. It is alloy of copper and aluminum and contain 89 to 91% of copper, 6 to 8% of aluminum, 1.5 to 3% iron, 0.35% tin and 1% manganese. There are some properties of aluminum bronze. It possesses good strength and heat resistance. Its melting point is near about 1040 degrees Celsius, somewhat difficult to cast due to oxidation. It has high corrosion resistance. It has good cold working properties. The commercial aluminum bronzes are practically non-magnetic. Then there are some applications of aluminum bronze. It is used for bearing, wall seats, for manufacturing gears and propellers. It is used for die casting, then also used for making hot stamping. It is also used in bearing metals in locomotives, slide walls, cams, imitation jewelry and pump parts. Then fourth type of the bronze, that is beryllium bronze. This alloy is also called as beryllium copper. It is a copper base alloy containing about 97.75% copper and 2.25% beryllium. There are some properties of beryllium bronze. The first one is it has a good yield point, it has a good corrosion resistance, it has a Brinell hardness about 340, it has soft lubricating property. These alloys can also be heat treated. Then there are some applications of beryllium bronze. It is suitable for springs, heavy duty electrical switches, cams and bushing. Then also used for more suitable as a bearing material. It is used for making chisel and hammers. Then next, fifth type of the bronze, that is Magnus bronze. It is an alloy of copper, zinc and little percentage of manganese, and they contain 60% copper, 35% zinc and 5% manganese. There are some properties of Magnus bronze, that is this metal is highly resistant to corrosion. It is harder and stronger than phosphorus bronze. Then there are some applications. It is generally used for manufacturing bushings, plungers and feed pumps, also used for making worm gears, and are frequently made from this bronze. Thank you very much.